As a medical community, we owe a great debt to exceptional Minnesota physicians like Arthur Gillette of Gillette Hospital fame, John Armstrong, Justice O'Hagy, Walter Reed, the famous military physician, and of course the Mayo brothers, Charles and William. They practiced medicine in and around St. Paul in the late 19th and early 20th centuries and were active members of the young Ramsey County Medical Society. But there is one exceptional physician who stands out for many of us, Dr. Eduard Boeckmann. His contributions to medicine benefited East Metro physicians through his dedication to building a medical library and extended out to all who did surgery using his revolutionary sterilization procedures. I have fond memories of researching in the old Beckman Library as a young doctor back in the 1970s, and I recall spirited conversations and debates with many of my physician colleagues. It was a wonderful place for a new physician. The historical artifacts displayed there always fascinated me too. The glass eyeballs, the shadow box showing the evolution of sutures. We can only imagine what it must have been like to practice medicine around the turn of the 20th century. More patients died of infection from surgery than from the diseases themselves. With the help of bacteriologist Dr. Gustav Renz, Dr. Beckman developed an effective method to prepare fresh, sterile catgut by treating it with pyoctinin, an antibacterial dye. After perfecting this innovative process, Dr. Beckman donated the proceeds to the Medical Society to underwrite the library's operation. His estate also stipulated that when the company and process were sold, the remaining money would be given as an endowment in perpetuity for the Medical Society. Today, this endowment fuels the mission of the East Metro Medical Society Foundation to provide support and leadership in health issues, given its unique position in the medical community. The endowment's income has gone on to fund expenses for the society, scholarships, grants to medically needy organizations, and seed money and ongoing support for an important endeavor, Honoring Choices Minnesota. This community-wide public health initiative serves to inspire and support family conversations regarding end-of-life care planning. Dr. Eduard Boeckmann's spirit also lives on through the Society's Beckman Community Service and Leadership Award, given yearly to an East Metro physician who, like Dr. Boeckmann, gives of him or herself for the good of the community. I'm certain Dr. Boeckmann, whose friends said of him that charity was his religion, would be proud to see his philanthropic gift enhanced via grants, contributions, and legacy gifts. I encourage you and all members to actively support the Foundation's causes in the future so that we can continue to serve our community's health needs, promote fellow physicians' volunteer efforts, mentor medical students, and enhance delivery of health care via new initiatives. Please join me in supporting Dr. Boeckmann's legacy by supporting your local medical society through planned giving.